Imagine this. You're standing in the middle of nowhere. You have a backpack, a big dream, and exactly $1. Sounds crazy, right? But what if I told you that $1 could take you across the world? Let me tell you a story. A wild, adventurous tale of traveling with almost nothing but making it unforgettable. Getting free rides. If you're thinking planes, trains, and buses, forget it. With just $1, you've got to think outside the box. Hitchhiking is a classic. It's free, it's adventurous, and honestly, it's one of the best ways to meet fascinating people. Find a safe spot where cars can pull over easily, like rest stops or gas stations. Use a sign with your destination. It helps drivers know if they can take you part of the way. Smile. No one wants to pick up someone who looks like they just escaped a horror movie. Another option? Ask drivers directly at gas stations. Most people are friendly, and if you explain your situation, you'd be surprised how many are happy to help. There are also rideshare apps like BlaBlaCar, where you might find free or super cheap rides by sharing gas costs. And don't underestimate Facebook groups or traveler forums. They're a goldmine for finding people heading in your direction. Finding free places to stay. You can't spend that dollar on a fancy hotel, but who needs hotels when you've got couch surfing? It's a platform where locals open their homes to travelers, completely free, create a solid profile, send personalized requests to potential hosts, and you're good to go. Most hosts love meeting new people and hearing travel stories. It's not just a bed, it's an experience. But what if there's no host available? That's where camping comes in. If you're in nature-friendly countries like Norway or Sweden, wild camping is legal. If not, ask locals. They might let you pitch your tent in their backyard. A simple, "Hey, I'm traveling on a budget. Can I camp here for the night?" often works wonders. Don't forget about religious places. Monasteries, churches, and Sikh gurdwaras often provide free lodging. Plus, the atmosphere is peaceful, and you might even get a free meal. Eating without spending a dime. Food is one of the easiest things to get for free if you know where to look. Start with markets and bakeries. They often have leftover food at the end of the day. Just ask politely. Community kitchens and religious places like Sikh gurdwaras serve free meals. No questions asked. They're not just about food, they're about connection and kindness. And if you're out in the countryside, foraging is your friend. Apples, berries, nuts. You'd be amazed at what nature offers. Just make sure you're picking things that are safe to eat. A quick Google search before you start munching can save you a lot of trouble. From asking to earning. Now here's a fun one. If you've got a talent, share it. Play an instrument, juggle, or even tell engaging travel stories to entertain people. You'd be surprised how often this turns into free food, drinks, or even a place to stay, or offer to lend a hand. Many people will gladly trade food or shelter for a bit of help with chores or small tasks. I once helped a farmer pick vegetables, and in return, I got dinner and a cozy barn to sleep in. Using the secret ingredient, kindness. The truth is, the real currency of traveling on $1 isn't money, it's kindness. Share your story, show gratitude, and people will go out of their way to help. I've had strangers invite me into their homes, share meals, and even take me sightseeing, all because I was honest about my journey. So, can you travel the world with just $1? Absolutely. It's not about luxury, it's about adventure, connection, and making memories that money can't buy. That dollar isn't your limit. It's your ticket to endless possibilities. If you're ready to start your $1 journey, let me know where you'd go in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more wild travel ideas. Until next time, safe travels.